Right now we're going to talk about example 2. Example 2 has 3 pieces. The first one is y equals x plus 3 if x is less than negative 2. So I'm going to put a dotted line at x equals negative 2. It's y equals x squared if x is between negative 2 and 1. So I'll put a line at 1. Again, those dotted lines come from these numbers over here. And the last piece is x equals negative x plus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 1. So I'm going to have my top line be over here. And then I'll have my middle line be here. And then I'll have my bottom line be over here. All right, so again, I need to know where I'm starting when I'm at the dotted line, and then I can do my graph from there. That's kind of how I like to always start. So I'm going to take this number, negative 2, and plug it in for x to get my starting point. And on the line x equals negative 2, when I plug in negative 2, I get 1. So that is my starting height at this line. It's a y value. When you plug it in for x, you get a y value. So it's the y value or the height there. Again, it's an open circle because there's no little line under there. And my slope here is x equals, or it's y equals x plus 3, so my slope is 1. So usually I go up 1 over 1, but I want to go this way, so I go down 1, back 1. And there is my pink line. This one has 2 starting, kind of like a starting and an ending point because it's between 2 dotted lines, so I'm going to plug in both. I'm going to plug in negative 2 and get 4, and then I'm going to plug in 1 and get 1. So when I plug them into the x squared, I get the height that I need to start at. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close circle because there's a little line. And then the height I need to end at. When I plug in 1, I get 1. So it needs to be a parabola here, but I have to have it be a normal parabola. So a parabola starts at the origin and then goes up and back this way. So it is like a full parabola, you know, but only cutting off and seeing part of it. So it can't look weird. All right, yellow. I'm going to plug in 1. And I get 1, so that means my open circle that I had is now filled in, and you can't even tell that it was open except that it's blue and yellow. And my slope is negative 1, so down 1, back over 1, down 1, over 1. And there is my yellow line. If I wasn't working with 2 different colors, this would not even look like it ever was open. It would just look closed.